Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. The Sugar Gnome Laboratory is a crucial building in Cookie Run Kingdom that allows you to research powerful upgrades for both your cookies and your overall kingdom. Here is how to get and make the most of the Sugar Gnome Laboratory. We shall start with how to unlock and construct the Sugar Gnome Laboratory. First of all, reach Castle level 7 or 8. The Sugar Gnome Laboratory becomes available once your kingdom's cookie castle reaches a certain level. So keep upgrading your castle. Also, expand your territory. You'll need to expand your land towards the area where the Sugar Gnome Laboratory is located. This area is typically found here to the left or right side of the Fountain of Abundance. You likely receive a quest to expand your territory one time, directing you to this specific spot. Once you expand to the correct territory, you'll need to clear any obstacles in the way to reveal the broken structure. After clearing the area, you'll be able to construct the Sugar Gnome Laboratory just like any other building in your kingdom. This will require specific materials and time. Now let's get to unlocking epic upgrades and boosting your kingdom. Once you have built the Sugar Gnome Laboratory, you can start researching various upgrades. These are categorized into two main trees. First of all, kingdom and cookies. Each research takes time and resources, often tools from the smithy like robust axes and indestructible glazed hammers and various materials. You can only research one upgrade at a time. So these are some of the key upgrades to prioritize. First of all, kingdom side, which is highly recommended first. Prioritizing kingdom research generally has a larger arrowball effect and provides fundamental benefits for your entire game progression. So, Sugar Gnome craftsmanship or research efficiency. In here, we have Sugar Gnome craftsmanship or research efficiency. These are absolutely vital. They reduce the time and cost of other research projects, speeding up your overall progress in the lab. Also, we have production building speed ups, that is smithy or cookie houses or sugar quarry, and many more. Faster production of these means more materials, which are crucial for both cookie upgrades and further lab research. We also have easy goods collection or kingdom production aggregation. This convenience features allows you to collect resources from all production buildings with one tap, saving you a lot of time. We also have bigger storage stacks, increases your storage capacity for materials and goods, helping you manage resources better. We also have faster balloon expedition. So this means more rewards and materials. Let's get to the second thing, which is cookie side. This is important for combat performance. Once your kingdom production and research efficiency are solid, you can focus more heavily on cookie upgrades. In here, we have all cookies, ATK or HP or def bonus. These are universally beneficial, increasing the core stats of all your cookies. Prioritize ATK for overall damage output. We also have tastier star jellies. This increases the exp gained from star jellies, helping you level up your cookies faster. We also have arena tickets, maximum number or recharge rate, useful for competitive players to get more arena battles. We also have toppings, which is cheaper upgrades. This is a huge one in the long run, as topping upgrades can be very expensive. This one reduces the cost, thus saves you massive amounts of coins. We also have story mode or dark mode mastery. This reduces stamina jelly consumption for these mods, allowing for more runs. We have specific cookie type bonuses, like for example magic, ambush, support. As you progress and focus on certain cookie types, this can provide significant boosts. Now, these are some of the general tips for Sugar Gnome Laboratory. Keep a Sugar Gnome busy. Always have a Sugar Gnome working on research or in the laboratory. Don't let it sit idle. Also, gather materials. Another thing is to plan your upgrades. Look ahead at the research tree and decide which upgrades will benefit you most based on your current game progress and focus. Also, patience is key. Some research projects take a long time, especially at higher levels, so be patient and consistent. Don't neglect it. The Sugar Gnome Laboratory provides continuous buffs that add up over time, significantly strengthening your kingdom and cookies. By strategically unlocking and upgrading your Sugar Gnome Laboratory, you'll unlock powerful enhancements that will greatly boost your kingdom's overall power and efficiency. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.